In this video, I will show you how to withdraw from Watch Only wallet. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel, and in this video, I will show you how you can withdraw from your Watch Only wallet. So to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Trust Wallet on your device. Now make sure that you're signed in into your account. Head over to the settings section and click on Wallets. Now in here, go ahead and click on the plus icon at the top right of your screen and click on Create New Wallet. Now click on the secret phrase Create and click on Backup manually. Now make sure that you have all of this checked and click on the continue button to continue with the next step. And here, copy all of the secret phrase that you can find and head over to your Keep Notes and paste the secret phrase. Now head back to your Trust Wallet and proceed with the next step of verifying your account on Trust Wallet if you have saved all of the secret phrase given to you by Trust Wallet. So you need to answer it correctly to be able to establish your new wallet on your Trust Wallet account. Now once you're done verifying and answering all of the secret phrase as, you will be able to receive points for creating a new wallet. And once you have created this new wallet, go ahead and head back into that wallet where your cryptocurrency is kept. Select the cryptocurrency that you wish to withdraw and tap on the send button you'll find on your home screen. Now in here, go ahead and enter the recipient's address and the amount that you want to send. Confirm the transaction details and tap on next. Now confirm the transaction and enter any necessary security information. And that is how you can simply withdraw your Watch Only wallet. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.